Here we go. So today it is cumulative number 2, and I am just jumping right into the worksheet. We can't just do the evens. It's not quite that simple. We're going to skip certain problems here and there. You're going to skip 3A and C. I feel like we should probably do this one because it's got E in it, so I'm going to have you skip this one. But we should do number 5 because you should. Okay, so back to the first page. Oh, I know what's happening. Pause for a second. Okay, so we are now going to scroll up and do couple together. Okay, so let's do this first one. Hint, exponential or log? That's an exponential, so you got to rewrite it as a log. If there was only one thing you need to know, it's rewrites. Log base 2 of 8 equals 2x. And you stop and look back at it and go, is there anything I can do to simplify? I said SRS, simplify, rewrite, solve. You got it, and sometimes you do it in different orders. Sometimes you start with simplifying. So this one, I know some of you guys are way ahead of me because this was an easy unit. That's 2 to the third. That one's 3. 3 equals 2x. Divide by 2, and you're done. Boom. 3 over 2.
It says don't solve.
Doesn't say to solve?
It says do not solve.
Oh, yeah, so I didn't have to solve. Okay, yeah, fine. All right, on to number 2. Write each equation in exponential form. All right, so that's basically rewrite. 2/3 to the 6 equals 4x. And then, is x alone yet? No, but it asked me to just write in exponential form, and it is. Now, I'm going to just divide by 4, just because then it's also solved. And it's an exponential form. All right. So let's do one where you start with a log, and you rewrite that. Look at number 3A. Simplify, rewrite, solve. It's already been rewritten. X is alone. It's already solved. What's the one thing that it's not? Simplify, rewrite, and solve. Which part has not been done yet? Simplify. So let's simplify this by rewriting that. It's not really a rewrite. I should just say replace that with 7 to the... Come on, you can do this. 7 to the -2. Very good. Then our problem is log base 7 of 7 to the -2. And why is that good? Because it's much more simple to say -2 equals x. There, it's solved. Simplify, rewrite, solve. All right, moving on to this one. Is x alone yet? No, so it's not solved yet. Could I simplify this? Yeah, if we started by putting it to the something, if I squared both sides, I'd get rid of this. And now 4 squared is 16. That's a little simpler. Next, what if I put it to the -1/4? To the -1/4 on both sides. Then this cancels. And I got 3 over 2x equals that. Now I got to simplify a little bit. What is 16 to the -1/4? Hint, 1/4 power means 4th root, which is 2. But then I got to do negative that. It's not -2, it is 1 over 2. Now, I know a lot of you guys have learned cross multiply. The longer I've been teaching as a math teacher, the more I realize it's not that awesome. What's smarter to do is clear denominators. So I'm going to times both sides by 2 and x. Times everything by 2 and x. Why? Because then that'll cancel that, and the 2 will cancel the 2. And not many times that you can actually use cross multiply. A ton of times where you can Multiply both sides by the denominators. Okay. I think I should give you a lot of time to work. And if you need individual help, I'm just counting on you then to come up and ask. Because today is a review day. Tomorrow's a review day. We'll throw a little bit of top 20 on both days. And then Wednesday is the R2s of the test. There's a lot of them. Thursday is the R3s of the test. Friday's the top 20. Goes in the grade book. Okay? So that's your 2 goals for this week. Wrap up the cumulative. Master the top 20. And if you are like, hey, you know what, Mr. Server, I've actually already completely mastered the top 20, then I would totally give you permission to, instead, whenever I say let's work on top 20, you should go work on true 20 or tough 20. They're in the same website. And if you want more of a challenge because you've mastered the top 20 already, go master the true 20 or the tough 20. That'll make you a little bit better for the ACT when that day comes. All right, that's all I got for you for today. Now I'm going to grade a whole bunch of projects. So be ready. If you haven't done your project, it's probably happening today.
Wait, so are both of the
Sorry,
review?
now right this second. I got to get attendance done. I got to get my video saving. Come back in like 2 minutes and ask
Okay.
me, okay? Marlene Walters, are you here?
Yeah.
Oh, you're back there. Okay. Sam Dodd, he is absent. And William G, where are you? Okay. I can live with that. Caden. And again, for now, that's fine. And I think we're good. Thank you. Just take an attendance. E again. Remember, E is about 2.718. Then on this slide, they're all good, but let's skip this one. And this one. And that one. And that's about it. But I'll help you with some more of these.